Welcome to Auto Pulse Media. In this video, we dive deep into the 2026 Lexus LX 600, a luxury SUV that continues to push the boundaries of elegance, performance, and innovation. The Lexus LX series has long stood as a benchmark in the luxury SUV market, and the 2026 model brings forward a fresh take with refined aesthetics, upgraded features, and cutting-edge technology that truly elevate the driving experience. The 2026 Lexus LX 600 carries the bold, commanding design language that Lexus is known for. From its massive spindle grille to its sleek LED headlights and sculpted body lines, the vehicle demands attention whether it's on city roads or off the beaten path. The exterior design remains imposing yet refined, blending sophistication with a rugged presence that appeals to luxury SUV enthusiasts. The rear features a redesigned tailgate with connected LED light strips, giving it a modern and upscale appeal. The 22-inch alloy wheels not only enhance its stance but also contribute to a more stable and smooth drive. Under the hood, the LX 600 is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, replacing the old V8. This engine produces a robust 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers power smoothly and efficiently. The performance is strong and responsive, offering quick acceleration while maintaining excellent stability at high speeds. The four-wheel drive system and multiple terrain modes make it a capable performer in off-road conditions without compromising the luxury ride quality expected in urban settings. Inside the cabin, Lexus has taken things up a notch. The interior is a blend of luxury materials and advanced tech, designed to offer the utmost comfort and convenience. Leather upholstery, wood trims, and soft touch surfaces are found throughout the cabin. Seating is spacious with options for both 5 and 7 passengers depending on the trim level. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and power adjustable with memory settings. In the higher trims, the rear seats also come with similar premium features including massage functions and recline options. The 2026 LX 600 features a dual-screen infotainment setup. The upper screen is a 12.3-inch display dedicated to navigation and camera views, while the lower 7-inch screen handles climate and vehicle controls. This system is intuitive and user-friendly, complemented by wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice recognition, and an available Mark Levinson premium sound system for a rich audio experience. Lexus has also equipped this model with the latest version of its Lexus Interface software, offering cloud-based navigation, over-the-air updates, and user profiles that enhance the personalization of the driving experience. Safety is a strong point for the 2026 Lexus LX 600. The SUV comes with the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which includes features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, road sign assist, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. Additional safety technologies include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering such a large SUV much easier in tight spaces. Practicality remains at the core of the LX 600's design. It offers a decent amount of cargo space, especially when the third-row seats are folded. The air suspension system allows drivers to adjust the ride height, improving ground clearance for off-road excursions or lowering it for easier access when loading or unloading. The towing capacity stands strong, making it suitable for hauling trailers, boats, or heavy equipment with ease. The 2026 Lexus LX 600 is available in several trims including the Standard, Premium, Luxury, F, Sport Handling, and Ultra Luxury. Each variant brings its own unique set of features and design elements tailored to different preferences, whether you're looking for a sportier driving experience or the most refined and pampered ride. In summary, the 2026 Lexus LX 600 is a well-rounded luxury SUV that balances power, comfort, style, and advanced technology. Whether you need it for city driving, family trips, or adventurous getaways, it proves to be a solid choice in the high-end SUV market. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with the latest in automotive news and reviews, make sure to subscribe to Auto Pulse Media.